You're not out of shape because you're lazy. You're out of shape because nobody ever showed you the truth. The fitness industry made billions keeping you confused, overwhelmed, and buying things you don't need. Today, that ends. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact calisthenics system that transforms complete beginners into guys that turn heads. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to show you the one psychological trick elite athletes use to make working out feel addictive. Not motivating, addictive. Stay with me. But first, I need you to understand something about your body that your doctor, your gym teacher, your fitness influencer, none of them ever told you. Your body isn't broken, it's dormant. There's a version of you, wider shoulders, flatter stomach, stronger arms, that already exists, biologically locked inside your current body. Calisthenics is the key, and before this video ends, I'm showing you exactly how to unlock it. Step by step, movement by movement. But we have to start at the beginning. And the beginning, it's going to surprise you. Here's what every beginner gets wrong. They go online, they find some shredded guy's workout. Day 1, they do 100 push-ups, 200 squats, and a 5-mile run. Day 2, they can't walk. Day 3, they quit. Sound familiar? That's not weakness. That's bad programming. And I mean that literally, you were programmed to fail before you started. Here's the truth science backs up completely. Your nervous system adapts before your muscles do. That's called neuromuscular efficiency. In the first 3 to 4 weeks of training, 80% of your strength gains come from your brain learning to recruit muscle fibers, not from the muscles growing at all. What does that mean for you? It means the goal in the beginning isn't to destroy yourself. The goal is to teach your body the patterns, nail the movement, then add the intensity. This is how beginners become intermediate in 60 days instead of 6 months. Write that down. Okay, here's the actual workout. No fluff. This is your 3-day per week routine. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Rest days matter as much as training days. I'll explain why in a second. The Big 5. Beginner blueprint number 1, incline push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Find a wall or a countertop, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Body forms a straight line from head to heel. This is not the easy version. This is the smart version. You're training your chest, shoulders, and triceps while keeping your joints safe. You're building the pattern that becomes a full push-up, then a diamond push-up, then a pike push-up. 1 movement, infinite progression, no 2. Body weight. Squats, 3 sets of 12 reps, feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out, chest tall. Sit back like there's a chair behind you. Don't let your knees cave inward. That's not a style choice. That's how you blow out your knee at 35 and spend $30,000 on surgery. Squats aren't just leg work. They trigger more testosterone release than almost any other movement. That's not bro science. That's a 2009 Journal of Strength and Conditioning research finding. Legs build hormones. Don't skip this. Number 3, glute bridges. 3 sets of 12 reps, lie on your back, feet flat on the floor, drive your hips toward the ceiling, squeeze at the top like your life depends on it. This activates your posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, the muscles that give you that athletic V shape from behind. Most guys skip this. Those same guys wonder why they look soft from every angle that isn't front facing. Don't be that guy. Number 4, dead hang, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Find a bar, a playground bar, a door frame pull-up bar, anything. Hang. That's it. This decompresses your spine, builds grip strength, and activates your lats, the muscles that create shoulder width. You want to look broader without gaining weight? Hang. In 4 weeks of dead hangs, most beginners visibly change their shoulder profile, not because the muscle grew, because the posture corrected. Your body was hiding your frame. The dead hang reveals it. Number 5, plank, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Elbows under shoulders, body straight. Don't let your hips sag or spike up. Breathe. The plank builds anti-rotation core strength, the kind that makes you look solid, move athletically, and protects your lower back for life. Not crunches, not sit-ups. The plank. That's it. 5 movements, 3 days a week, 20 minutes a session. Simple? Yes. But here's what nobody tells you. Simplicity is a feature, not a bug. Complexity is how the fitness industry keeps you dependent on them. This, you own this forever. I said rest days matter. Here's why. Muscle doesn't grow during the workout. It grows after, during sleep, during rest, During the 48 hours, your body is repairing the micro tears you created. If you train every day as a beginner, you're not training harder. You're just interrupting your results. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Eat enough protein. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Drink water like your physique depends on it, because it does. The workout is the stimulus. Recovery is where the transformation happens. Okay. Stop. I need to bust a myth that is ruining thousands of beginners right now. You've been told that you need to feel the burn to get results, that soreness equals progress, that if you're not wrecked the next morning, you didn't work hard enough. That is false. Delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, is not a measure of muscle growth. It's a measure of novelty. Your body is sore because the movement is new, not because it's working. Elite athletes are rarely sore because they've mastered efficiency. Your goal isn't to be sore. Your goal is to progressively do more. One extra rep, one extra second, a slightly harder variation. That's called progressive overload, and it's the only mechanism by which your body changes. Soreness is just a feeling. Progressive overload is a law. The psychological trick I promised you. Here it is. Elite athletes don't use motivation. They use identity. Motivation asks, do I feel like working out today? Identity says, I'm someone who works out, so I work out. The moment you stop seeing this as something you're trying and start seeing it as something you are, the game changes completely. Every rep you do this week is a vote for the identity of someone who shows up, someone who does the work, someone who builds something real with their own body. You're not trying to get fit. You are someone who gets fit. Feel the difference? That shift from behavior to identity is backed by behavioral psychology, habit science, and every high performer you've ever admired. It starts with one workout. This workout today. Here's what I need you to do right now, not tomorrow, right now. Stand up, find a wall or a countertop, do 10 incline push-ups. That's it. That's your first vote. Because the person watching this video who actually gets results, they're not more gifted than you. They're not luckier. They're not genetically blessed. They just started, and they started with exactly what you have right now, a body, 20 minutes, and the information you just got. The only question left is whether you're going to use it. If this hit different, if you actually felt something shift, hit subscribe right now, because every week I drop content like this. No fluff, no filler, no fitness industry garbage. Just the raw truth about building your best body with nothing but your own body weight. Subscribe. Turn on notifications and drop a comment below. I'm starting today. 3 words. That's your first rep. I'll see you in the next one.